I've almost lost count of how many times I've been asked how to open the boot on an XK140 or XK150. One might think this is fairly straightforward with this obvious press button, but due to quirks of the mechanism, it can be more difficult. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to make this more easy. First things first, we have to make sure that the boot is unlocked. This might seem obvious, but it can be trickier than you'd think. The boot is operated by a wedge that pushes between two rollers. With the lock parallel to the boot chrome, the boot is locked and the wedge drops between the rollers and it won't open. With it turned to 90 degrees, it pushes the rollers apart and the boot will open. Now with the boot unlocked, it's time to open it. The obvious thing to do is to press the button down with your thumb, which works in most cases, but with some worn mechanisms, it can require an awful lot of force to push the button down. If this is the case, try turning your hand around and using the palm of your hand to press the button down firmly. This allows for more leverage. But what if only one side of the boot opens? If that's the case, simply pull up the side that's already open and give the boot a jiggle and the other side will release. Now, if you've tried all these tips and tricks and your boot still won't open, the problem could lie deeper. It could be stretched cables or misaligned components. To sort this, you require access through the luggage hatch. I can cover this in another video, so please let me know in the comments. Finally, if you're still struggling with your boot, please get in touch in the comments. We'll try to guide you through some further troubleshooting, or we could book you in to look at your car here. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.